how to fix the system UI is not responding on your Android phone. So if you're seeing this error message and your phone's frozen or stuck, I'm going to show you how to go and solve this issue. Now all we need to do is a quick soft reset of the phone. Now don't worry, as this won't delete any of your personal data. So all you need to do is go and tilt your phone onto the side, and we need to hold down the volume down button and also the power button at the same time. And you need to hold these two buttons down for around about 45 seconds. So let's go and do this together now. We're going to press these two buttons down and then just continue to hold them down. After about 15 seconds, you're going to see a black screen. Make sure to continue to hold the buttons down. After another 15 or so seconds, you'll see the Samsung logo appear on the screen. Now, as soon as you see the Samsung logo, go and release these two buttons and then your phone's going to restart. Now once your phone's restarted, there's one more thing we need to do just to make sure this doesn't happen again. So just go and load up the settings on your Android and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and select software update. Now click on the download and install button, and if there's any outdated software, just go and press install now, and that's going to prevent this message from appearing in the future.